Welcome to Juquei, a coastal gem located in São Sebastião, on Brazil's north coast in the state of São Paulo. Filmed in January 24 under overcast skies, with the ocean in a more powerful mood than usual. Juquei is known for its long stretch of fine sand, clear waters, and a laid-back atmosphere that feels far removed from the big city life, even though São Paulo is just a few hours away. Sometimes, cloudy days reveal a different side of the coast, softer light, deeper colors, and waves that remind you just how alive the ocean really is. This beach sits between the Atlantic Ocean and the Atlantic Forest, creating a unique mix of sea air, dense greenery, and natural calm. This region is part of one of Brazil's most preserved coastal areas, where urban development is carefully balanced with environmental protection. São Sebastião is a municipality famous for its beaches, more than 30 of them, each with a different character. Juquei stands out for its accessibility, calm atmosphere, and connection to nature. It's a place where weekends are slow, mornings start early, and the rhythm of life follows the tides rather than the clock. There are numerous luxury resorts, boutique hotels, and pousadas. The area is also known for its excellent food scene, ranging from casual beach kiosks to high-end restaurants, and seafood specialities like pescado a cambuco. Beyond the beach, visitors can enjoy hiking trails, boat trips to nearby islands like As Ilias, and a lively nightlife. Best time to visit. The peak season is from December to February. For lower prices and a quieter experience, the months of March to May are recommended. In January, the area experiences typical summer conditions, with daytime temperatures reaching around 30 degrees Celsius and occasional afternoon thunderstorms. It's approximately 150 kilometers from the city of São Paulo and can be reached via the Rio Santos Highway. Thank you for watching this short aerial journey over Juqueí. If you enjoyed this calm experience, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more travel content from around the world.